The rainbow jersey and gold medal will be presented by His Excellency Paul Kagame, President of the Republic of Rwanda, and Monsieur David Laportien, UCI President. Le meilleur arc-en-ciel et la médaille d'or seront remises par Monsieur Son Excellence Paul Kagame, Président de la République du Rwanda, et de David Laportien, Président de l'UCI.
Umwambaro watsinze n'umudari wa zahabu biratangwa na nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika y'u Rwanda His Excellency Paul Kagame na Perezida wa UCI Bwana David Laportien.
In first place, UCI World Champion and winner of the gold medal, representing Slovenia. À la première place, champion du monde UCI et gagnant de la médaille d'or, représentant la Slovénie.
Shampiyona y'isi yo gusiganwa ku magare n'umudari wa zahabu yegukanywe n'umukinnyi ukinira Slovenia,
Tadej Pogačar.
What an amazing champion, and what an amazing atmosphere as well. It's almost hard to quantify just what a brilliant scenario has been created here. And what a great way to win it as well. Tadej Pogačar, heroic status here to so many in this amazing day after an amazing week of racing at these World Championships here in Rwanda.
I'm so happy I made it. The climbs were getting harder and harder every lap. Yeah, and also on the downhills was not so fast. You still had to like pedal quite a lot. So yeah, the energy resources was going towards the end, and yeah, it was so hard. The few final laps, and of course you doubt a bit, but you have to push through and hope for the best.
To do it here in Africa, to do it on this course, under 30 riders finished, makes it even more special.
Yeah, no, it was an incredible experience altogether, and yeah, let's say it was a successful week.
Baba